Kia ora koutou. In this video lesson, we're going to be talking about finding the distance between 2 points. And as with our midpoint formula, as with our gradient formula, it's going to be very important to label our points x1, y1, and x2, y2. Those will be going into our formula. Let's go ahead and plot the points. -3, 5, -3, and 5. So there is my point 1, and 7, 1 is my point number 2. So what we want to do, whakamahia te ruri, we want to find the distance between these points. In other words, we want to find how far it is from this point to this point. And the way that you're going to want to do that, you are going to want to make a right angle triangle. So what you're going to do is you're going to set up a little right angle triangle, just like this. Ano, whakamahia te ruri. Use a ruler. Make your mahi look smart. And the reason why we do this is sometimes positives and negatives can get a little confusing. So what we're going to do is draw the right angle triangle. How long is that side? E hia ngā tapa whā. Tahi, rua, toru, whā. That side has a length of 4. And tēnei rā rangi, ano, e hia ngā tapa whā. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, te kau. Let's double check that. Tahi, rua, toru, whā, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, a te kau, tika. Okay, now that we know the side lengths are 4 and 10, we're going to use te ture o Pythagoras. So the distance from one point to the next, that distance is going to be the square root of 4 squared plus 10 squared. Now 4 squared is 16, 10 squared is 100, so that is the square root of 116. Now I don't believe that the square root of 116 is a whole number, so you are welcome to leave your final answer as the square root of 116. Let's have a look here. So the square root of 116, yeah, it's 10.77032961. It doesn't end, it doesn't terminate, it doesn't repeat, so you're welcome to leave it as the square root of 116 as your final answer. And for those of us that like to use the formulas, what you're going to do there, the distance formula is going to be the square root of, that will be the x2 minus x1 squared. So that x2 minus x1 was where the 10 came from, plus y2 minus y1 squared. If you'd like to use the formula, kete pai, go ahead and use it. But I think a lot of us are going to find making this right angle triangle, 4 squared plus 10 squared, square root it, and that's how we find the distance. Any patai, do send them my way. As always, thanks for watching. Mauri mahi, mauri ora, ka kite ano.